one shot where Connor was playing music and he's just like, no, it's just like, please stop, it's painful. And then he's just like, well, stop doing this. Like, that's nice.
You're away. What's that?
Wow.
Oh my.
That.
Yeah, I know.
That's weird.
I'm having fun.
I noticed.
What?
Oh god.
Yeah, I'm tired of holding this. You can just like look at it like that. Just lean it up.
Cody, do your super sexy dance.
Don't do move shake drop.
It's kind of weird to become a guy.
So glad we're doing that. It was weird. Especially for the low one. It's like, no. But I did that with Sarah, so it was funny. It was so funny.
No, watching Courtney do it.
Here, wait. God, picking a wedgie there.
Courtney, quit playing with your cock.
You don't ask what happened with the balloon.
I'm not even gonna ask.
You really shouldn't.
I don't even want to know.
Yeah, you really don't.
What you doing, Cody? I'm playing.
Playing with something down there. I should really record this so that I can actually edit it.
Oh
not
my
sound like a girl.
I feel like Jaden.
Oh.
This is exactly what Jaden would do.
Do you know what that reminds me
Here,
of?
give me this. That's really screwed up.
Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me when we're at the
No, I need Mr. Nene.
cold.
Yeah, that was.
Mr. Nene's not here.
That's nice. Yeah, we should take a picture of you and Mr. Nene.